fight the sound. I hit solid ground. He says I'm wasting time.
Feeling pretty lazy to cook something, so I'm just gonna make this.
I do now. Because every time I look at him, he's looking away. I don't know what to tell him, 'cause I know we won't stay. Oh no, he'll go. And if I could tell him anything, I'd tell him the truth. But Lord knows what I'm hoping to, and that would even do. So oh no.
I just got an exciting package in the mail from Sephora. I actually placed an order because I got a gift card for my birthday last week. So, just wanted to share what I picked up. First, if you're a beauty insider, you always get a free gift on your birthday. And this time I chose this NARS Laguna lip balm and bronzer set. The packaging is so cute. I really love the packaging. I don't have that many nude lipsticks, so I thought this might be a good option. Ooh. Actually like how subtle it is. This very famous NARS Laguna bronzer. It's always nice to have more travel size stuff. I picked up a few hair stuff. First is this new Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Dry Shampoo. I actually gave up on dry shampoo a few years ago because I just felt like it didn't really work for me, and my hair just felt like there was buildup that made it feel oilier even if it didn't look it. And I tried lots of dry shampoos, but when Living Proof came out with this one, I was really intrigued because it's supposed to be this breakthrough formula that actually cleans the hair as opposed to the dry shampoo just sitting on your scalp. I thought, why not? I'll give it a try. I also stocked up on one of my favorite hair treatments. This is from Olaplex. This is the number 3. I like to use this once a week. I like to leave it on ideally for a couple hours just so I can get the maximum benefits. I feel like the longer you put it on, the better it is. And then the last thing I picked up is this Bare Minerals Mineralist eyeshadow palette. Ever since I got my allergy test done, I'm very picky with what I put on my lids now because I don't want to break out in an allergic reaction anymore. This is what it looks like. And I heard that Bare Minerals eyeshadows are free of a million different things. I like how compact it is. So pretty. I've been really into these rosy, browny, champagne-y shades. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this out and hopefully it doesn't give me a reaction. So my friend's coming over for dinner. I was thinking of what to make and I was really craving tteokbokki, but we don't have any rice cakes at home. But what we do have is rice paper. So I've seen so many videos, especially on TikTok, where they make rice paper tteokbokki, so I'm gonna try that out today.
Oh, listen, honey, if I told you about the way that I felt, I wouldn't waste a minute if I had you all to myself. We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me if you want it, baby. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us.
Just got all the rice paper ready, so now I think I'm gonna make some 볶음밥 so we can eat it together.
As someone you could trust, so let me be your go-to. I could be the one who gives you everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. There's something about this moment, it feels so good. So I gotta know if you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. So give me
It's so chewy.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
There's nothing in it. Just
So cute. Oh! Oh my god, is it PJs? Oh, what is this?
loungewear.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute.
Wow.
Thank you.
There's camera.
We bought tarts from Cafe Terrace.
The boom mics, we call it a dead cat too, but I didn't know that they called it
Why?
like that for.
Who knows?
Who came up with that? I mean,
It doesn't look like a dead cat. It just looks like
because I think
maybe a dead hamster.
I think the big boom mics. What is it called? I don't know.
She got me going psycho. Where are we going, honey?
Oceanic boil, yo.
Been craving, well, I've been craving seafood boil. We're here.
In time will find you, only to feel my love. What have we been through? Separate from what we know, our chemicals flowing.